Okay, is how to change who can see your future posts on Facebook. The first step, open up Facebook app and then go to menu. Tap on menu or three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen if you use iPhone iOS devices. If you use Android devices, tap on three lines at the top right corner of the screen. So basically proceed to your main menu, and then there are two options how you can get to settings. You can tap on the gear icon over here, or second way, you just scroll down very bottom, proceed to settings and privacy, and tap on settings. Alright, once you're here, you just scroll down and under audience and visibility, proceed to posts, and then tap on who can see your future posts and select only me or special friends or friend accept or only friends or public. But by the way, public selected by default. So basically select any of these that you want and then tap on save to change it.